If you're a business owner or entrepreneur, then you have likely already heard all about the importance of building an email list. Not only do you own your list and get direct communication with your audience instead of relying on algorithms, but studies show that email marketing actually has one of the highest ROIs, or return on investment, for businesses. You can nurture your audience through personalized content and lead them down the buyer's journey. If you want to build long-term customer relationships, then having an email list is a non-negotiable. But of course, first you need to get people onto your email list to begin with. How do you do that? Well, that is where freebies come in. A freebie, also known as a lead magnet, is an incentive that you offer your audience in exchange for signing up for your list. This can be something like a free ebook or PDF guide, an exclusive discount, a checklist or cheat sheet, or even access to a webinar or a mini course. The key to your freebie is that whatever format you choose, it needs to be valuable to your audience. It should solve a problem or fulfill a need, and of course be closely tied to your product or service. For example, here at the Social Snippet, we've got a couple of freebies, including an Instagram profile optimization guide, which helps you create a killer Instagram profile, the story starter guide, which has 31 Instagram story prompts, and a quiz that helps you decide which social media platform is right for you and your business. If you want to take a look at what these look like, they're going to be linked in the description below. Notice how each of these examples have a very clear benefit and communicate that benefit through the freebie name. When people see how useful your freebie is, they are way more likely to hand over their email address. Now that you've got your freebie, you're going to need a reliable email provider to manage everything. Here at the Social Snippet, we love Flodesk. It's an amazing email marketing tool, especially for entrepreneurs and business owners. They have beautiful templates that are professional and customizable so that you can make sure every email matches your brand, as well as ready-to-use forms of all kinds, whether you want a website pop-up, a full page, or our personal new favorite, their link in bio form, which is specifically designed for use on social media and includes both links as well as a sign-up form right there. It literally couldn't be any easier. They also make it easy to set up automated sequences like a welcome sequence, a product launch, follow-up emails, or your freebie delivery sequence. And of course, automatically delivering your freebie to every new sign-up. To have your freebie automatically delivered, all you need to do is select your workflow template, select the trigger, like having a subscriber added to a segment, customize the delivery email to match your brand, and hit publish. Best of all, Flodesk offers flat rate pricing, which means that you can grow your list without worrying about the cost of it going up. Not many other email providers do that, so it's pretty awesome. If you want to try Flodesk for yourself, you can use the code SOCIALSNIPPET for 50% off your first year. So you've got an email list set up, you've got your freebie, now how do you actually grow that list using Instagram? Instagram can actually be a goldmine for growing your list if you know how to use it strategically. Here are some of our top tips for doing that. Number 1, use the link in bio feature. Make sure that the link in your bio leads directly to your email sign-up page or the landing page with your freebie. The fewer steps it takes for someone to sign up, the better. So don't make your audience go to your homepage and then search around for where they can input their email. This is why we love Flodesk's link in bio template. It makes this whole process seamless. Tip number 2 is to use your stories. Talk about the benefits of your freebie and how it solves your audience's pain points. And of course, don't forget to use the link sticker to make it easy for them to sign up. Tip number 3, tease the content. Create posts and reels that give your audience a little glimpse at what they can expect when they download your freebie. At the end of the post, make sure to use a call to action to let your audience know where they can go to get their hands on it. And tip number 4, collaborate. Partner with influencers or complementary businesses that have a similar audience to yours. They can promote your freebie as a free resource for their audience, which gives you more exposure and it helps drive traffic to your list. So there you have it. Growing your email list doesn't have to be intimidating, scary, or hard, especially when you've got an amazing email provider like Flodesk and some social media strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and follow along for even more insights on social media and community building. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.